Wonder why your partner snores night after night? If you're sick of sleeping separately, look closely. Snoring happens when the lower jaw relaxes and falls back, constricting the airway, causing that obnoxious sound. Now you can sleep quietly and get your Z's with ZQuiet. ZQuiet comfortably positions the lower jaw slightly forward, which widens the airway and quiets snoring in any sleep position.
As a dentist, I recommend ZQuiet to all my patients. 1, it's affordable. 2, they can fit it themselves. And 3, and most importantly, it works.
We invited this ZQuiet customer to an independent sleep lab. First, we let him sleep without ZQuiet. Just an hour later, with ZQuiet in, he slept quietly, deeply, restfully. You could too. Order now.